Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. I share much more time this website, and this website total share value is this much. Bitcoin is a total share value, and total paid Bitcoin is 21 Bitcoin. This website paid to a lot of users. Okay, first of all, click in here. I have our account. I just click login to show you how you can start earning from this website, and just click sign in. And right now you can see I have this much Satoshi offering my balance, this much Satoshi I make withdraw from this website, and that's it. So 5 days ago I withdraw this much amount of Satoshi. How I earn Satoshi, first of all, is the view ads. You can watch all of the advertisement available in here. This will be pay you some Satoshi. You can see this advertisement for 10 seconds. 2 Satoshi pay you. You can watch it all the advertisement, and you can participate in lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. It's a 4 hours on 39 minutes. This lottery ticket will be launched. The first one this much Satoshi, the second one this much, and the third one this much Satoshi. This much users available in the lottery ticket. This much ticket a lot of people buy. Okay, every ticket is 1 Satoshi. You can buy it. I just click maximum. I can buy this much ticket, and maybe I'm the winner or not. It's not depending on me. And you can see it's 4 and 10 time winners in this last round winner. Okay, this is the first time. The second time, okay, is the third time person to winner. Today is much more high amount for winning. I can just buy a lottery ticket and participate in the contest, and I can ignore it and I go for withdrawal. Okay, and the next way is BTC multiple. You can click this one. This manual BTC multiple. You can click it and you can higher low. Like I just go for the high. You can see lost. I 2x. Just click beat and I win. I come back in the first time 2x. Okay, win. That's it. Like this, you can stop beating, and maybe your winner, maybe your loser is not depending in the amount. You can see I earn 4 Satoshi with this trick, and you can start beating much more time, and maybe you have a much more amount for withdrawal. The next way is auto beating. I didn't recommend you for auto beating because it's 100% loss. And the next way is offer walls. You can complete offers, okay, and then you going to offers. This in here I have a contest, a referral contest available in here. This person have a 69 referral contest. This is the price a lot of people paid him. Okay, I'm not available in the contest because I didn't have a much more referral, and maybe I'll have to participate in the contest. The contest will be in 21 October. Okay, and maybe one of the winner will be catch. And the next way is earn investment. You can invest in here, okay, and you can easily make amount. And I go to dashboard. I just click withdraw from here. Then this website pay me 100% the withdraw. Okay, I go to multiple these because I want to beat sometimes to increase my amount. Then I come back and withdraw. Okay guys, you can see I will 100 Satoshi in the beating, and right now I come here, click withdraw and click faucetpay, put my password, and now you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly, and that's the best trick that you can use. And I earn 100 Satoshi from the beating in that website, the Cryptowin beating website, and that's it. And you can see I got multiple these to show you the beating amount. You can see a lot of time I win, and I have the best way to increase my amount. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys, and this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself. If you earn maybe 1000 satoshi of the balance in Bitcoin, you can use the multiple deeds in here. It's too easy to multiple your amount. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.